Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another episode of The Shauna Show Lifestyle Edition. Okay guys, so spring has sprung around my apartment. I decide to lighten up the apartment and springify it, but by adding a pop of color. And of course, I choose pink because pink is in. All my floral arrangements are from Micheal's. My window treatments are from Homegoods. So to springify the apartment, guys, I just add a few accent pieces and change the florals. These florals are all from Micheal's, including these in front of the fireplace. The window treatments, like I said, Homegoods. Those two lanterns are from Z Galleries. Now I'm gonna go to the centerpiece. My Christian Dior book was a gift from my mom for my Christmas. Ow, I love it. It came in very handy with the color scheme. And this little pink centerpiece I place on top of the book to give the center table a little pop of color. And I tossed that little one pillow on the floor. Those two pink furry throw pillows I also found at Homegoods. So now the living space is more light and refreshing and oh so bright. I just love the pink accents around the house. Even this throw right here I found at Homegoods. Pink was so easy to find, guys, because pink is so in for home decor this season. And let me tell you, if you know me, you know I'm not a pink girl. But on all the home decor blogs, I couldn't resist getting the pinks, darling. And the stores wasn't helping either. Every single stores had pink home decor. This wall art I found at Burlington, it just fits perfect with the space. It just goes so handy. And these stems also I found at Micheal's. All the floral arrangements were from Micheal's. I just added some pink and some white accent to just open up and brighten the living area. So next up is the dining room table. So my standing vase, I add some pink and white stems, of course. I change all the floral arrangements. On the dining room table, I did the same thing. I add some pink waterfall stems, also from Micheal's. In the middle, I had some very light pink roses on top of my candle holders. I also got these stemless pink wine glasses from Homegoods. Move on to my bar area. I kept the red accents at my bar area, guys, because I so love my Louboutin wine holder. It's a shoe that holds the wine. It's so cute. But look what I found. This wall art from Homegoods tying perfectly with my bar. All the more reasons to keep it red. So I have the red flowers in the corner towards the kitchen. I kept them red because I kept the kitchen with red accents. So it ties in perfectly. So onto my kitchen, guys. I have this little island in the kitchen. I create this cute little centerpiece by adding some artificial apples in the vase. When I put the red flowers in, the red apples just pop it. And I love lighting candles, guys. I always have candles lit around the house. And those flowers, of course, tie in with the bar because the bar is right at the entrance of the kitchen. And I have that little kitchen centerpiece mat that ties in with the florals in the corner. You see how I tie in from one aspect of the apartment to the other? I transitioned from pink to red. I was on to the bathroom. So of course I had to springify the bathroom with refreshing bathroom towels, nice springtime candles, and my gorgeous 3D bathroom shower curtains. It's a wonderful find from Homegoods. I decorated my shelves. I created this nice little accent piece on top of the toilet, the towels, the candles, the vase from Homegoods, flowers from Micheal's nice, beautiful spring stems, and of course, I have my shelves that's beautifully decorated. When you have a small bathroom, guys, you have to keep your small bathrooms neat and tidy, and of course, looking very cozy and comfy. All these I found at HomeGoods, and I went ahead and springified the bathroom area to make it light and refreshing to tie in with the rest of the apartment. Here I have my initial towels, and this little stand is actually a trash can. I made it into a vase. There you have it, guys. How I springify my apartment by adding a few pop of color, pink and red. I hope you guys are inspired. I hope you guys will try it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Toodles!